G'day everyone. After recently destroying the wiring on the back of my Honda CRF450X, it's 2009 model with the Australian compliance rear tail light, it came time to fix it all, and here's what I figured out. Now we have wires coming out of the chassis, and you can see here this green wire is the earth, and we need to split that into at least two separate earths for the tail light. Now the tail light is here, and it has three wires coming out of that red LED light for stop and tail, but the colors don't actually match the chassis wires at all. So we need to make sure we get them in the right spot. There's also a number plate light that has a black and white wire. Now that number plate light, I'm actually not going to refit. I'm going to replace it with new a little bit later because it doesn't work, but we'll have a note of where the wires go out of that one. We've also fitted a pair of aftermarket indicators here. The wiring is the same for OEM or aftermarket. We have a left, a right, and in this case, we're going to share an earth. So we've got one shared earth coming from the indicators, one earth coming from the LED tail light, and then we split the chassis side into two earths so it all connects up properly. So we'll only have two earths coming out of the chassis, two earths coming out of the tail light and indicator assembly, and every other wire will join up, in this case through a Deutsch plug. It's worth buying a Deutsch plug for this if we're going to do it aftermarket. It seals, it's really, really good, and it's nice and small. You can see there, it's underneath the tail, nice and tidy and out of the way. Nothing worked when I first put it together because this wire here with the red spade terminal that I've added was actually broken, and there's a lot of rust and corrosion in there. So I've added a spade terminal to that and crimped it all together, and it makes everything work again. Of course, we have a tail light when we turn the engine on. We have a left-hand indicator, right-hand indicator, which is a little bit fast at the moment because the front one isn't working. We'll sort that later. And of course, we have brake lights as well. It all works. It's nice and tidy. Thank you very much for watching.